Hello everyone, this is Giant Turtle. Today's topic is how to draw a regular polygon. Here are the examples of a regular polygon. We have a square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, and regular octagon. First, what is a regular polygon? Second, how can you draw this by coding? Let's see the definition of a regular polygon. A regular polygon is n-sided polygon in which the sides are all the same length and are systematically placed about a common center. A regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral, which means all of the angles are same, all of the sides are equal. I want to present two theorems about the angles. First one is the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Before proving this, I want to show you the video of how to draw a polygon using a total. Here are examples of a square and pentagon and hexagon. According to the video, the turtle moves forward, and when he reaches to the vertex, he turns toward the next direction. How much degrees will the turtle turn by? The turtle turns through the exterior angle. When a turtle finishes drawing a polygon, he does a one whole turn, which is 360 degrees. As a result, the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. We can understand this theorem by total. Let's see the second theorem. The second theorem is the sum of the interior angles of polygon is 160 degrees times n minus 360 degrees. Each straight line has 180 degrees, which means that the interior angle and exterior angle at each vertex sum up to 180 degrees. Because we have n vertices, the total of all exterior angles plus all interior angles equals to 180 times n. Because the sum of all exterior angles is 360 from the first theorem, we can conclude that the sum of all interior angles is 180 times n minus 360 degrees. So let's move on to the algorithm. So here is the algorithm to create a regular polygon. First, we put the pen down. So that is the first step. And the second step and third step is draw a line segment and change direction by x degrees. Now we do not know what the value of x is, but let's think about this. The next algorithm is to repeat the step 2 and 3 for n times. And then what will be the degrees to turn at step 3? According to the theorem 1, the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So the exterior angles at each vertex in a regular polygon should be 360 degrees divided by n, because the sum of all rotation of the total should be 360 degrees. And the total changes the rotation n times. So at each vertex, the degrees to rotate should be 360 degrees divided by n. So here the x is 360 divided by n. For a square, it should be 90 degrees. For a pentagon, it is 72 degrees. For a hexagon, it is 60 degrees. After he completed the drawing, put the pen up. It is the algorithm to create a regular polygon. Let's see the block programming using Scratch. I used the previous algorithm to create the block program. First, I pen down. I made a repeating block with vertices. Inside the repeating block, I put the move view step and turn a certain degrees, and then penned up. And how can you get the step and angles here? I set the angle to 360 divided by the number of vertices. I set up steps to 600 degrees divided by vertices because when I use the same steps, the size of the polygon increases dramatically. I make a steps inversely proportional to the number of vertices. So here is the program in Python. In the Python, first step is to import the total, and the second step is to get the screen. And after that, I set up the number of vertices as n, and calculate the angle and step size by using the formula 360 divided by n and 600 divided by n. After that, I put the command to move forward and turn left inside for loop, and I repeat it n times. And then if I want to make a regular hexagon, I change it n to 6 and calculate the angle and steps again by running the two codes again. And after that, I run the for loop statement to create a regular polygon. So let's see the Python simulation.